Hi friends, it's Donzella from Ms Donzella Cooks, and today I'm making some hot water cornbread where I'm using some regular white cornmeal. I have my bread frying in the pan and some oil. To make this bread, I just used 1 cup of cornmeal, half a cup of flour, teaspoon of salt, boiling water, and a little butter. And the water has to be boiling. You mix that together with your boiling water. Make it into a dough. I'll have to make a video one day to show you how I put this together. But I've already had them in a pan. They're frying. You just turn them over after they get a little brown. That could be a little browner. And this is a traditional way of making hot water cornbread. Again, I just mixed a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of flour, teaspoon of salt, boiling water, and maybe about a tablespoon of butter. And you mix that together. You add your water gradually to your cornmeal, little at a time, and mix it until it makes somewhat of a stiff uh, dough ball that you can make into patties, or you can just drop them in by using your spoon, just a large spoon like so, pat them, drop them in there, but be very careful because this is hot oil and the dough is hot. But I will make another video and show you how I make this. But today I made these because I cooked some navy beans and I wanted some cornbread to go with the navy beans. And I did not want to make any baked cornbread because I love my hot water cornbread. It goes really wonderful with cabbage, greens. Some people add sugar to their cornmeal mix and other ingredients, but the original recipe does not call for that. It's very simple because back in the day when they made this bread, they did not use or have all those ingredients. So they just used what they had, which was the cornmeal, flour, salt, and boiling water and a little butter. And if you like easy budget friendly recipes like this, friends, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen and Ms Donzella Cooks. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like recipes like this. It's very simple, and you cook it till they're golden brown. These two need to be a little bit browner, so we'll just keep cooking those and cooking them on a medium high heat, not too fast. And I'm using just regular cooking oil. Any cooking oil will do. Like I say, there's nothing fancy here. Um, and this is just cooking for real, just simple ingredients that and this is an old school recipe that people used to have in their cupboard. Just some meal, flour, a little salt, a little butter, and some boiling water. But the water has to be boiling because that's what's going to cook your cornmeal as you mix it together. And friends, that's all it takes. And you just brown it in your skillet till it gets um, as brown as you like, and then drain them on a paper towel. And on the outside, you have a crispy fried bread, and inside, very soft um, dough inside, very soft bread inside. And you can use, some people use self-rising cornmeal. I don't use that. I don't use baking powder in this at all. The original recipe does not call for um, baking powder and self-rising meal. It's usually just plain cornmeal. You can use white or yellow, and just like I said, some all-purpose flour, salt, boiling water, and maybe about a tablespoon of butter. That's all you need for this simple ingredients. And I just use regular white cornmeal. You can use yellow. I just prefer white. It does not matter. And so far, friends, our bread looks pretty good. So I will take these two out. And this is what I'll leave these two in. And this is what your hot water cornbread should look like. And it is, this is too hot for me to handle now. It's crispy on the outside, a soft bread on the inside. And again, friends, if you like recipes like this, join me in my kitchen, Ms Donzella Cooks. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And again, have a blessed day, friends.